Hey guys, it is the 12th of December and we have a 40mm castle. It's a 440. Don't have a key for this one, but we have the keyway right there. I will not say these are great locks, but they are not the worst thing. I think they're better than master locks. I have picked a few, but I have a bunch that I cannot open yet anyway. So I think they are more, not necessarily the same quality as Apis locks, but they are just as fun to pick and in some cases even more tricky. So they're definitely a fun pick. Where is my other pry bar? I think it's this one I was looking for. Yeah, that will work anyway. There we go with the focus. And where is this? Maybe. I don't know the bidding, so let's take the smallest one and try this first. Can always change it. Typical thing for the 440 of the castle locks seem to be spools, but not really easy. I don't remember if I still have that lock, but I have picked one that were fairly easy to pick, and another one that I also got open that was quite hard. It took quite a few attempts. And then I think I have one or two more 440s, and I also have a 50mm. I don't remember if that's a 540 or now that might be 550 or 450. That one I can't open either, so these are not easy by any means. A few of them is, but there will always be some of them that are easier, some that are not. But I can already say now, this is not one of the very easy ones. I don't think that works, so let's try. That's right, I broke that short hook the other day. Where's the other one then? Here it is. Can it reach from... yeah, I can. Okay. Try just directly from the bottom with a short hook. Yeah. I like when I get the false sets, but it doesn't seem like this is one of those. They usually do have spools though, or something that gives a false set, but I guess that would be spools mostly. There we go, pin 2. Ha! I do want to try to just rake, rock and zip it, but I don't think we will get it open. I just closed the shackle if you didn't see, and that is not so good. Let's take this one. Yeah. Okay, where's the... I just saw the half diamond just before. Where is it? I don't know why I have all my picks on the table and have to search through them every time, because I do have a holder for them. I just never use it. Okay, I'm just getting stuck with that, so that doesn't work. Maybe we should try the worm. I do think the snake rig would be more efficient than this one. I did get a slide turn, but it won't open. Let's try the snake here, because I think that might have a better chance. Not that I think we will get it open with it, but there's definitely something in there that makes the pigs get stuck. Let's try to rock it. It doesn't seem like it. I do get a slight turn, I guess that is a very, very, very small false set, but that's all. What we did is PP it open, so it is pickable. Alright, get it on the tree then. And focus on the tree. We put the Yale there last time, so we put this one there. And as always, the beautiful Ruko star. And the first lock we picked this year was the American, no, not American, American Lockwood. There we go. And we have a Eurolux 40mm, IFAM 45. I think I have set 40 to that, but I do think it's more likely to be 45 millimeters. Morris 1100 clone. Another IFAM, I believe 50mm. Unknown lever padlock from West Germany. 30mm Yale and 35mm and another 30mm Yale. All of them is from the Y110 / of course 30 and 35 series. TSA, Triple Q, and now Castle 440. So that's the first 12 days. Now we are halfway to the end of the series and also halfway to find a winner for 12 locks. I don't think I have said it yet. I don't know which locks the winner will get, so it's mainly just a surprise. The winner will receive 12 locks and of course some of my stickers. I always send stickers out. So yeah, and if you just dropped in on this video and you haven't seen the video on how to enter, you just have to watch and comment at least 3 random videos of the Christmas series. That are 24 videos total. You just have to watch and comment on 3 of them to enter. So that was all for this 12th of December day. I will see you again tomorrow, hopefully. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great Christmas.